All right, so if you are watching this, you are interested in a alternative assignment to the Google form. Okay, you are still filling out that grapes organizer because you are going to be submitting that to me at the end of next week. It's kind of your culmination assignment for this for ancient Rome. So you're not, this alternative assignment isn't for the grapes organizer that you're doing on Google Docs. It is simply for the Google form. Okay. So once again, just a recap. Yesterday or on day one, you watched these two videos in section A, filled out your grapes organizer. You then filled out the Google form for ancient Rome day one. All right. After that, you're like, wow, I'm interested in Roman soldiers. And the Google form, I kind of want to do something a little bit different. I see that it says write an essay, life as a Roman soldier, use information learned, write it from the perspective of a Roman soldier. Okay, what does that mean? That's an alternative assignment right there to the Google form, not to the grapes organizer. You're still filling out the grapes organizer no matter what section you choose. But you don't want to fill out the Google form. You rather do this alternative assignment in the Roman soldier section, section I. Okay. So you don't want to say it's day two. You watch the video for Roman soldiers. You don't want to fill out this form. And the next part of this little presentation is this alternative Flipgrid assignment. Some videos have the option of completing an alternative assignment to the Google form. I encourage you to do them. It could be fun. All right. If you decide to do them, submit them on Flipgrid. All right. So you are going to see on Flipgrid there is a section that says alternative assignment ancient Rome. You would click that. So if you decide to do the Roman soldier, okay, get this out here. It says act out. Oh, why is this here? Act out your day as a life of a soldier. Okay, that means that you have written that essay from the perspective of a Roman soldier. Okay, you are going to go on Flipgrid, and you are going to, essentially read that essay. Okay, if you have any props or you want to wear a costume, I encourage that. Okay, but you're talking from the perspective of a Roman soldier. Okay, say you wanted to do, you were doing section C. So let's take a look at section C. C. There are two videos here. Each of them have two different options. Each of them have two alternative assignments. So if you do in section C and you decide not to do the Google form, you need to do both of these alternative assignments. All right, so section C. Watch this video right here, and you want to do this alternative assignment, make your own model or drawing of an ancient Roman home. You watch this little video of the Colosseum, pretend you are a tour guide of the Colosseum. Okay. So now you want to do that alternative assignment. Present and explain your drawing on Flipgrid, okay, of a home in ancient Rome. And then when you're done with that, within that same video, give your little tour guide speech, okay, that you created for the Colosseum. No matter which section you decide to do, if you're doing on Flipgrid, you must start your Flipgrid assignment saying, this presentation is the alternate assignment for letter C, for letter G, for letter F, for letter H, for letter I, whichever section you decided to do that had an alternate assignment option. Okay, the Flipgrid code is 49B00580. If you decided to do an alternate assignment on day two, that's where you would go. Say you decide again to do an alternate assignment on day three, you would just submit another Flipgrid video in that same assignment. Okay, 49B00580. So it's very possible that for some of you, I will have the Google form for day one for section A. And then you decide to watch the videos in G and did the alternative assignment and did the Flipgrid for that. Then on day 3, you decide to do section C and did the Flipgrid for that. And then on day 4, you decide to do F. Okay, and you did the Flipgrid for that. All right, so you could be posting 3 videos within the same, Flipgrid section assignment. Okay. All right, so if you're interested in that, by all means, go ahead and do that. But if you'd rather just do the Google form, then by all means do that. All right, so that's your assignments for the week. You are watching the videos. You are traveling around ancient Rome, learning about different aspects of it. You are categorizing those aspects into grapes, filling out that worksheet as you go along, and then you can either fill out a Google form or an alternative assignment if that alternative assignment is available for that section. All right, so that is what you're doing for this week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. I look forward to seeing what you guys are learning. All right.